morning guys. Today's video is specifically for all the Iit-Jee aspirants who are going to write the exam this year itself. This is the shortcut chart that will be helpful for them during the examination. That is reducing agents for different functional group conversion. That is for a particular conversion, which all reactions or which all reagents can be made use of. That is being discussed here. I'm not going to detail of what the reaction is or how it is done. The mechanism or the reaction examples are not being considered. Just the functional group conversions and the reducing agents for those conversions. And for the students who are going to write the exam next year, that is those who are going to write Iit-Jee exam in 2020, for them in the continuing videos I am going to explain the mechanism of each of these reducing agents, but for the time being we are going to look short into all this. So first of all, our conversion is CO to CH2, that is ketones or aldehydes. They will be converted into normal hydrocarbons, that is alkanes. So first of this is Wolff-Kishner reduction, which has the reagents NH2, NH2 and KOH. Then the second will be hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus. And the third one will be Clemmensen reduction, which is the zinc amalgam with, actually it is concentrated hydrochloric acid. So these three are the major reactions which results in the conversion of CO to CH2. Next, CO to CHOH, that is to alcohol. First one, these three are very common, that is LiAlH4, lithium aluminium hydride, then sodium borohydride, and B2H6, diborane. All these three are very simple to understand, and when this comes we know definitely reduction is taking place. Then next it is sodium in the presence of alcohol. Then continuing hydrogen and nickel and hydrogen and palladium, both these also converts CO to alcohol, that is both in aldehyde and ketone CO group is converted to CHOH. But here the palladium group, this is not very active for aliphatic carbonyl compounds, but this is very effective in the case of aromatic carbonyl compounds. So we should remember these are common for all till H2Ni, but H2PD is more common for aromatic aldehydes or ketones. Next, the conversion of carboxylic acid to CH2OH, it's mainly by lithium aluminium hydride. Then comes ester conversion to alcohol. Ester can be converted to alcohol by LiAlH4, then diborane, H2 and copper chromate. You can see H2 and copper chromate did not come in any other places. It came only in this. So this is very specific. Then comes deballage. This deballage is also specific to ester conversion to alcohol. So these are the first set of conversion. Now we will go into the second set. So this is the next set of conversion. The first one will be the conversion of alkenes to alkanes. The major ones are H2Ni, hydrogen and nickel. Then comes diborane and then H2N, Wilkinson's catalyst. Here in case of both H2Ni and B2H6, it is syn conversion. Syn means hydrogen will be added through the same side. That is both the hydrogen will be added through the same side. That is syn addition. Then next it will be conversion of alkynes to alkenes. And the first one will be H2 and Ni2B. This is also called P2. So in the examination when you see a reaction with a reagent P2, you should realize that it is for the conversion of alkynes to alkenes. Then comes Na and NH3 liquid. Here the sodium with ammonium, liquid ammonia, this is an anti-addition, that is the hydrogen will be added in the opposite sides. Then Lindlar's catalyst, which you are all very familiar with, it is hydrogen in the presence of palladium and calcium carbonate, and this is syn addition, that is hydrogen will be added to the same side. Then comes the conversion of alkyl halides to alkanes. The major one is lithium aluminium hydride and will be converting primary and secondary alkyl halides. Then the next will be sodium borohydride. Then this is tributyl tin hydride. Tributyl tin hydride is actually a free radical, formation of a free radical. Then actually this followed by a free radical followed by this one will be forming RH. Then finally zinc in the presence of acetic acid. So these are the reagents used for the conversion of alkyl halides to alkenes. Next comes the conversion of cyanides to amines. Again here also lithium aluminum hydride is the major one. Then comes sodium in the presence of alcohol. Then hydrogen nickel will convert it into amine. Here actually amine is not needed. I'm writing it came as a mistake. Okay. Now next we will be having one more set of conversion. We will go into that. So this is the final set of conversion where RNO2, RNH2 is the first set in this section, which can be done by using hydrogen nickel, hydrogen palladium or hydrogen platinum. It can also be done by tin HCl, then SnCl to HCl. Here SnCl2 in the presence of HCl, this is done specifically for aromatic. Then comes lithium aluminum hydride, which is one of the very common reducing agents. Next RN3 to RNH2. This is done by hydrogen in the presence of nickel. And finally we have the conversion of cyanide to aldehyde, and this is done by DiBALH. And I think I have said the full form of DiBALH as dibutyl aluminum hydride in the case of ester conversion also, but it is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and I'm sorry for the previous mistake. So that's all about most of the conversions are being discussed here. Then according to your convenience, you can also rewrite this chart by writing each of the reagents and all the conversions that can be done by using that particular reagent. In the next video, I'll be discussing in similar manner all the oxidizing agent and the different conversion, functional group conversions for the same. Then please keep watching our channel, subscribe, and please do recommend the channel for all your dear and near ones who like chemistry and who wants to learn more about chemistry. Now for students who are going to who need more mechanism and all of every reaction, we are going to do that in the coming videos. This is for a quick reference for the students those who are appearing Iit-Jee examination this year, that is in April. So that's all. Do ask for any topics that you want in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.